Hello my friends. Today I will be talking about V-Ray material and how to set up hair. I have final render so I can show you my render project. I render by using V-Ray and I use for V-Ray material for hair. This looks a little bit blurry, but it is still looking great. Today I wanted to show you step by step what you're supposed to do when you create things like that. I think I will delete this so that you could understand what I'm doing. We open up a browser. Because it is important. I also have like polygons. I think I will add the color to polygons so you can see what I'm doing. Keep in mind, because I had the issue with V-Ray materials. If you face that issue, that your material browser will not respond, so you can go to Edit, Preferences, and because I published a video tutorial before, and you go to Section Renderer, V-Ray, Materials, Preview during interactive rendering. You have to disable this and lower quality. Also, I will check if I can change resolution of the texture. That's fine. This shouldn't be issue when you work with higher resolution of the texture. But make sure you disable this. I don't know if I'm supposed to enable the previews. I think I will not turn this on. I don't know how this will behave. I will let you know because I had to disable preview during interactive rendering. Okay, next thing, I will change to black because it will be easier for me to work with mustache and eyebrow, because I want to show you step by step what I do. I also have to change keyboard shortcuts when I work with Cinema 4D. I think I will get rid of this because this won't be necessary. Okay, where is the command? Where is command dissolve? Okay, I will only need that eyebrow. I think that eyebrow should be okay. I think we won't need that. Okay. I think I have to search for brown color. Okay, now I will show you next what I'm doing. You go to simulate hair object, add the hairs, length. Okay, that length should be okay. We will decrease up to 2000. And you can also see in viewport how many hairs have we got? That is important. When you double click on a default hair material, we also have to check thickness root. 0.020 tip. I think that should be okay because we okay. That value should be okay because we can copy that value because if we apply new material, greasing it. Okay, V-Ray, next material, and I will show you. You drag my left mouse button material for hair. I will call eyebrow 01. We also have to pay attention on how many segments have we got. I also will turn dynamics off because I don't need that. I wouldn't render this yet, but, because this may take a while and will impact all OpenBrow because the software. I will go to simulate hair tools, brush. Also check strength. We can check wig. Wig is important. You can always resize by holding middle mouse button and going to the right. Going up and down, you change the strength of the brush. If you consider hair to be too long, you can always use cut tool to cut eyebrow. I think the quickest way to apply hair material would be if you copy hair material. No, not that one. What I'm doing. Don't delete this. You still need this because this is more important because you will have more. You will have only that look if you use default material. But if you work with V-Ray hair material, your hair will look like this. As you can see, we did it okay because we were able to turn a preview on. Okay, what next? I think because we selected eyebrow, I have to check eyebrow 01. So you do the same. You go to simulate hair object, add hair. This is another reset. We have to rename this eyebrow 02. Sorry people, if you don't see this clearly, I use a higher resolution. I don't know if Cinema 4D has interface. Interface. I don't know if I can resize this. I know in Blender I can resize the interface of program. I don't know if this is possible to do that in Cinema 4D. That's strange because I thought I would be able to resize the interface. I know point size, wireframe, thickness. Okay, never mind. I know in Blender you can scale a whole interface of the program if you have got 4K resolution monitor. hair polygons. You can see, and this is definitely too many hairs because we have to decrease up to 2000. That's enough if you work with hair polygons. This is like preview, so you can see exactly what you are doing. This is like interpolation. You again turn dynamics off. Because I don't need it at the moment, because I don't do animation. Oh, okay. And this is brand new preset. We can see what we got here. We can copy this. Okay. If you consider this not to have enough hairs, you can always increase. I think you should be able to see how many hairs are visible. Where I was. Where... Oh, sorry, people, I just went. Coordinates guides. Okay, in option guides, we can resize. We also have separate hair mode when you can choose rules or points. So can you brush to brush only points. So this will give you little bit more realistic and better result. It's up to you. How do you want to use brush? How do you want to comb your hair? Wait a minute. Is comb? Is it possible to use a comb? That one seems to be not working. Maybe because I will check. I wonder why this mode does not work. Maybe I'm supposed to select only. Maybe I'm supposed to select vertices. Let's check, people, because I wanted to know how does tool comb work. Maybe this works only for selected vertices. Wait a minute. I believe this tool probably only works with selected vertices. Okay, from root. Aha! That's strange, because I thought I would be able to use in real time the tool called the comb. I like get a review. Oh, this is wrong. We shouldn't do that, because they will not render properly. But keep in mind that I use the separate patch, not original polygon for hair. And again, also, I wanted to show you what I did. This is like character head. I added empty object that can move entire head, including mustache, eyebrow, and separate parts. You add empty, because this is like in Blender. When you add empty and you want to parent your polygon, first you add to empty object head. Main character. Wait a minute. Main character option solo. So we focus only on main character. And you can use the solo to deselect, to disappear only, not including head, only this. Because this object is selected, everything else will disappear. And okay, After that, in eyebrow, I believe I can assign the same material, I believe. After that, I won't be turning on rendering because I don't know how this will behave, and I have to check how much usage I will have. Oh, quite a lot. I will have to check people if OpenBrow because their software will still be okay if I turn rendering on. Render objects. Oh, come! I forgot. I didn't see this option. Sorry, people. I didn't see. Multipass. Secular diffuse. Receive shadows. Oh, actually, I didn't see this. I forgotten about this option. That is why it was using lots of memory. V-Ray. Kuga or RTX. I will, just in case, I will save my project because I don't know how this will behave. Character experimental. Why have I got backup copy? Oh no, this looks weird. Aha, okay. I understand because I have like okay, I will check something. I have to check people if OpenBrow Caster will behave okay. What is my usage? Oh no, this is quite a lot. I'm okay with that. I can still render and I can still talk to you, but I got RTX graphic card. You have to wait, you have to bear with me. I didn't turn on subdivision surface, so render will take less. Oh no, I forgotten. It's not too bad because my graphics card has a gigabyte of VRAM, so I should be okay with that. Oh, come on, V-Ray. Why is it taking a little bit too long? Maybe because I selected to receive shadows. It's not too bad, to be honest. I used to use only CPU in the past, but I think V-Ray is a lot better than standard Cinema 4D render. I thought this would stop OpenBrow Caster from working. You can see a massive difference. You can see how beautifully stuff is when you work with V-Ray. I hope you like my video tutorials, people. Let me know if I was missing something, because I wasn't talking about all details, because we have lots of other settings that I have to take into consideration, like subdivision, sampling, stuff like that, and GI engine settings. I don't know what that is. Oh, that one is to do with subdivision. Okay, what we got here? Can someone tell me in comment section what memory tracking is to do with? Because I never used the memory tracking and profiler. I don't know what profiler does. I didn't have those settings in 3ds Max V-Ray. Number of lights, textures, rendering. Okay, lots of settings, which I probably have to study from scratch. Oh wow, I didn't see this. This is actually quite interesting when you go through all of the settings. I like very much this render engine, but make sure you turn that setting off, what I told you about at the beginning of the video tutorial, because this was causing my preview material to stop working, and at least I discovered when I was reading in internet forum. See you guys.